A software update can completely change how a smartwatch feels to use, and for Pixel Watch owners, that change is arriving sooner than many expected. Google has officially started rolling out Wear OS 7 to Pixel Watches, bringing one of the platform's biggest updates in recent years. The new software is built around Android 16 and introduces a mix of visual refinements, performance improvements, and smarter battery management designed to make everyday interactions smoother. One of the headline features is a redesigned interface based on Google's updated Material 3 Expressive design language. Menus, notifications, and system animations have been refreshed to feel more fluid and modern, while maintaining the familiar Pixel Watch experience users already know. But the update goes beyond appearance. Google says Wear OS 7 improves power efficiency, allowing supported Pixel Watches to deliver longer battery life during daily use. That could be especially important for users who rely on health tracking, notifications, and GPS features throughout the day. Another major addition is deeper customization. Users can now adjust watch face styles more easily, personalize color themes, and take advantage of expanded accessibility options. The goal is to make the watch feel more tailored to individual preferences rather than offering a one-size-fits-all experience. The update also strengthens integration with the broader Android ecosystem. Device syncing, app interactions, and connected experiences are expected to become more seamless, helping Pixel Watches work more naturally alongside Android phones and other Google devices. Wear OS 7 is rolling out first to compatible Pixel Watch models, with availability expanding gradually. As with most major software releases, not every user will receive the update on the same day, so some owners may need to wait a little longer before seeing the notification appear. For Google, this release is more than just another version number. It represents an effort to make smartwatches feel faster, more personal, and more capable, without requiring users to buy new hardware. For Pixel Watch owners, that means the next big upgrade may already be on the way to their wrist. If you found this update useful, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more smartwatch and wearable tech news.